Do you have a motorcycle that you want to transport? Or maybe you have a heavy e-bike like I do. Well, Cravot has a solution for you, and it's called the M1 Max motorcycle rack. Actually, they have two different versions, so let's get into it. Cravot has created two heavy-duty motorcycle racks, and for only $359, you can choose between the M1 or the M1 Max. The M1 weighs 73.9 pounds and has a maximum payload capacity of 350 pounds. Or they have the M1 Max, which weighs 105 pounds and has a max payload of 660 pounds. Let me show you how it works, starting with the load ramp. The ramp conveniently has two knobs that attaches to the rack. And then you can lift the ramp up and put it at the end here, so you can easily unload and load. Each side has these ratchet straps that's going to hold down everything, and these tie down straps to ensure that you don't damage your motorcycle or bike. You can see how this cradles your front wheel. Well, the M1 holds a tire width of 4 inches, but this is the M1 Max, so it holds a tire width of 6 inches wide. Both the M1 and the M1 Max can hold a wheelbase of 60 inches. What I noticed is when I first used this is the fact that I was able to pull the bike up in here, and right now it is not strapped down and it is able to just hold itself. I don't know if it's going to do that with every bike that you have, but it seems to work that way with this one. This rack comes with a locking pin right here and an additional stabilizer. To connect the rack to your car, you're going to need a 15 by 16 socket wrench right here. And this is what you're going to use to secure the bolt into the car. And then you're going to need an 11 by 16 to tighten up this anti-wobble bracket. The M1 can go into 3 different positions. We have the standard position right here where we have the bike or motorcycle mounted. And then we can put it down into this lowered position, which I have no idea why you would want to do that if you have a bike on here, because you're just going to have to use brute strength to get it back up. And then this position is great for whenever you are needing to transport without a bike or motorcycle on there. The length of the M1 or the M1 Max is 71 inches and the width is 46.5. The M1 and M1 Max is a motorcycle rack, and I know I've only shown you an e-bike, but we have a motorcycle right here from my buddy Greg. He has a vintage Honda, and so I'm going to show you how a motorcycle loads up on this rack.
This is the 1990 Honda GB 500, fairly rare bike in the US. It's 390 pounds wet, so we're going to put it to the test, I guess.
Now, see, that's where you need to know how much your motorcycle is going to weigh, because the M1 can only hold up to 350 pounds, but this is the M1 Max, which has a max load of 660 pounds, so we're not going to have any issues putting this bike on this rack. When it comes to the ramp that goes onto the rack, I forgot to show you that it has these 2 tabs here that connect right in here on the end, making it very easy and very secure for the rack and the bike that you're loading up on it. All right, so whenever it comes to loading a heavy motorcycle like this on there, there's a couple options you can do. Number one, you can have it on there and throttle it up slowly. I would not recommend that, especially if you have a friend. And if you have a vintage motorcycle, you don't want to do that with it. So make sure you have 2 people here. The bike's in neutral, and we're just going to push it up this ramp. Try to get it lined up. It's going to be heavy. I mean, the rack can handle it. Are we on the bottom?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Whoa. There we go. Now we're in there.
Now we're in.
Now we got to get it over this. And look at that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get those 4 tie-down clips that we have, or the 4 tie-down straps that we have. And then you have to figure out where on this motorcycle that you want to put the straps. I'm assuming down here.
Yeah, well.
Unless you want to put it up here. You have to keep in mind when it comes to the length of the ratchet strap. And this is how high it comes up. So at that point, you just got to figure out what's going to reach. I think here would be a good spot.
Yeah, you just
that's
keep it away from stuff that's hot with a nylon strap.
I know, that's what, with it being nylon, you don't want to put it against your muffler or anything. You're going to run that through, just like that. And hook that on there. Once that's connected, you're just going to lift up, and then we're just going to tighten that down just a little bit, and we're going to do the same to the other side. Now, the way I do things is that I make sure all of these are just slightly tightened. I don't want to torque down everything quite yet until I know that I have all 4 connection points mounted. Once we have that done though, now we can start to tighten things down just a little bit and get things secure. Do the same over here. Now, people have different techniques with this. Some will do the front and the back of the opposite direction. So they might do this one and then tighten down this back one. Me, I've always done it where I've just tightened the front 2 up, but it doesn't matter. Both of these ways will work. It's just whatever you prefer. Whenever something has full suspension on it, you do want to make sure that you tighten it up enough to where it cinches down. I don't know if you guys saw it, but the front forks came down some, and you just want to make sure that all the suspension is tight so that it doesn't loosen up and bounce while you're going down the road. Not only can this rack handle a motorcycle or a heavy e-bike, but it can also handle e-motos as well. If you are interested in the Cravot M1 motorcycle rack or the M1 Max, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below. That's going to take you exactly where you need to be. I'm also going to pop up a QR code right here that you can scan with your phone in case you're watching this on a computer or TV. Now, if you like videos like this, well, I'm going to ask that you go ahead and maybe click the like button, maybe hit subscribe, also hit the bell. That way you know when new videos are coming out. That is all I have on the Cravot M1 Max motorcycle rack. I want to thank you guys for watching, and until I see you again, enjoy the ride.